What's up guys? Today's video is on the MEG Aegis Ti5 2021. The MEG Aegis Ti5 is the latest addition to MSI's range of gaming desktops, joining the roster for the uniquely designed Aegis product line. The announcement and subsequent launch of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3000 series of graphics cards meant that we'd been expecting some of the bigger PC hardware manufacturers to release refreshed editions of their desktop collections to take advantage of the newest and most powerful hardware on the market, but MSI has done that with a greater flourish than most. The MSI Aegis Ti5 is arguably going to be the most uniquely designed build on the market, sporting a look that won't be for everyone. It's certainly for us though, and while we initially laughed at the robotic-looking features, the aesthetic has really grown on us. You're still getting the signature RGB lighting that features in many gaming PCs, but the Aegis stands out against other current desktop builds that mostly seem to follow one of two trends: a stealthy, minimalist case, or a glass window chassis that puts the power